Hey everybody, thank you for joining us. My name is Denise and this is my second to oldest granddaughter. Her name is Brianna.
Hi.
And hi. And she's going to help me today demonstrate how to make air fryer
Pop Tarts.
Pop Tarts. Yeah, Pop Tarts. We said it, Pop Tarts. So today, for us, they say you can use any filling you want, but for today, we are gonna do strawberry preserves and we're going to do Nutella. And to do them, you need pie crust, okay? Now, if you want to make an icing for them, you're basically gonna make your favorite sugar cookie icing, which is basically powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, and then whatever flavor you want it. So you can use vanilla, or you can use almond extract, or lemon, or whatever you want that's gonna go good with whatever flavor pastry you're making. So, what we're going to do now is we are going to prepare the crust, and then we're going to air fry them, and then we're going to taste them, and we're going to tell you if they're worth making. Okay? Okay, so basically you have your pie crust laid out on something, and we need to make 3 rectangular squares. So we're going to cut off the edges to make the pie crust just a little bit squarer, I don't know if that's a word, but more square. Okay. I'm gonna do that, that'll be good enough. And then we're gonna cut this into 3, and I'm just eyeing it, doesn't matter. Cut it into 3 like that, okay? Okay, so now that the pie crust is cut and we're ready to put our filling, what I've done is I've already put the filling on one so that we can show you exactly where to put the filling, okay? So I'm gonna let you see that now. As you can see, the filling is on just 1/2 of the pie dough. The pie crust, this is what they look like once you fold them over. And now we're going to do the pinching with the fork. Okay, so this is what they look like once you have folded them over. And now Brianna's going to demonstrate how to pinch those edges with that fork. Okay, so now that the pastries are ready, we're going to put them in the air fryer basket. And then we are going to put them in the air fryer on 370 degrees for 8 minutes. Now, once you put them in your basket, you're going to spray the top of them real lightly with like a Pam nonstick cooking spray. And that's going to help them to turn a nice golden brown. So 370 for 8 minutes, and we will see. Brianna is loading the tray. She's loading the tray with all 3 of them. She did good. We got 3 in the tray. So we'll be back to tell you and show you how they are. And we'll wait. And wait. 8 minutes seems like a really long time. It's not, but it seems like it. Okay, our air fryer just went ding, which means 8 minutes are up. And so we are going to pull some Pop Tarts out of the air fryer and see what they're like. Yummy! Look how good that looks. Don't they look delicious? We have to let them cool for just a few minutes before you move them so that they don't break. So you're gonna let them cool for just a few minutes, and then you can move them to a plate, and then you can put your icing, or you can just cut them open and enjoy them. So we will be back shortly. All right, so now we are ready to put some icing on. Brianna is working on that right now. It looks yummy. Let me show you. She is spreading that icing however thick she wants it. This is her treat. She can do whatever she wants. She's also gonna add some red sprinkles since it's strawberry. So she's gonna do that also. And get a little bit more, you think? Yep. Okay, Brianna has spread the icing on her strawberry Pop Tart, and now she wants to add some red sprinkles to it. So she's gonna do that. Looks good, huh, Bri? So you ready to taste it, Bri?
Yes.
Bri is going to cut hers in half and just show y'all how yummy. Her icing probably hasn't set yet, but that's okay.
Good.
That looks yummy. Can't really see the filling in that one. Let's see this one. She cut it. Oh yeah, there you go. There's that filling. Here goes the taste test.
They're really good.
Finger licking good. Kid approved. Now we're gonna see what that chocolate one looks like. Let's see what it looks like inside the Nutella one. There we go. Yummy chocolate. So let's see. It's really good. Crust is really, really flaky. And the filling is warm. Yep. All right, so there you have it. Air fried Pop Tarts. Good?
Yes.
Yes. Kid approved. She loves strawberries, so all the thumbs up. Worth doing. Super simple, quick. Do it for breakfast, or you can do it as an afternoon snack, or whatever you choose to do. And remember, you can use whatever filling you want. So you need pie crust, your filling of choice, an air fryer, some icing if you choose to make some icing, and just have fun. Thank you for joining us. Bye now.